So basically today we need to discuss which one topic, dear? Router. Clear? Okay. Anyone know OSI model? If we are calling layer 3. So layer 3 means which one layer? Anyone know?
Network layer.
Network layer. Very good. So basically first point clear for router. Basically a router called which one layer device, dear?
3.
Layer 3 device. That means a router work on which one layer?
Network layer.
Network layer. One more point. A router read on layer 3. Which one information?
Packet.
Packets, and inside packets we are getting which one information? Source IP and
Destination.
one more thing we are getting. Protocol field. Yes or no? One more point. The router forward, or you can say receive data on the basis of which one address? Which one address? IP addresses. One more thing. The router called which one device, dear?
Full duplex.
Full duplex. One more thing. The router have GUI, CLI. Option to manage. Clear? But one more thing, I think we already always discuss. Depends on vendors, series number, and which one thing, dear?
Model.
Model. Very good. One more point. The router maintain which one table? Routing. The router maintain which one table? Nothing. Bhaktya, ARP table. Okay, one more point. A router support the routing protocols plus security features plus net. I think net switch support. No, but router
No,
support
sir.
net translation. One more point. Router interfaces available. So we are getting interfaces sometimes 2, sometimes 4, sometimes 6, sometimes 8. One more theory. A router interfaces types. So basically we are getting 2 types of interface. First call which one, dear? Ingress. Or second call egress. Okay, first clear one by one. Ingress means for incoming data. whenever device receive your data. Egress means
For outgoing.
for outgoing. One more point you can remember. Those interfaces, or you can say port, depends on data traffic flow. Which one flow? Data traffic flow. Now one more point. Router types available. Clear? Which one available? Router types. We are getting two types of router. First called which one series router? Fixed series. Second called modular series. Okay. What is the difference in between fixed or modular? One by one clear. This series, no extra slot. We discussed deep theory. No extra slot. Clear? But this one, extra slots. Clear? Route. By default, mute the mic, mute the mic, mute the mic. By router, by default, enable routing process. And one more theory. By default, router maintain ARP table plus which one table? Routing table. One more theory. Router every interfaces different group. A group means you can say network member. Everything is clear? Any doubt? No. So basically first point you need to learn router. For example, this one is your router. This one is router symbol. Clear? One interface this side, one this side. 0 by 0, 0 by 1. Always clear. Cisco router first available port number, or you can say which one number, dear? Bhaktiyar, Lambodar, interface number, both are same. So we are getting a first available port number is 0 by 0. First thing clear. This 0 means it's a series number. And this 0 means which one number, dear? Port number. Port number. And one more 3. In single series. How many ports available? How many? 4 ports. Clear? One more point. So if I'm calling 0 series, so 4 port means 0 by 0, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, and 0 by 3. So this one is my which one series? Single series 0. If I'm calling one more series available, one series, then 1/0, 1/1, 1/2, 1/3. How many ports available? Count. Total ports in one series. Verify. How many ports available, dear?
4 ports available, sir.
4 ports. Yes or no? No. This point is clear. Now one more point. So basically we need to learn a router types. First router is my which one series? Which one series? Fixed series. So clear this point. This series router does not have any slot to increase network interface. Only limited interfaces, or you can support. No worries. Available. For example, if you're working as a network engineer and you purchase this one router, clear? This router one side connected with LAN and one side connected with which one side here? WAN. So right now inside your organization, one more ISP connection you required to enable. One more. So this one is which one series router? Fixed series. So any option available to increase the interfaces on this router?
No.
No. So always clear this thing. Now next series is which one?
Modular.
Modular series. Someone getting issue with voice, so join with your computer audio. This series router have extra slot to increase. You can say interfaces, or you can say port. One more thing. This slots support PCI card. Which one card, dear?
PCI.
PCI card. Okay, if someone asking, sir, what is the meaning of PCI card? So verify. PCI slot Cisco router. So this one is card. Verify. This type. This one is PCI slot card. You can verify this one is available. Yes or no? Sometimes this type of slot. This one is Cisco series. Some modular series will use this type of card. This month card available. Yes or no? So this card you can plug into your Cisco routers. Clear? Now verify. One more thing. Fixed series router. I will show you some images. Fixed series router. So 1800 series router. Can you please verify on this one? This router, basically this one. Any access or available in this router we are getting? Any slot?
No, sir.
We are not getting. Why? Basically, in this router, we are getting only limited ports. Yes or no? So basically, which one is my limited port? Give me 1 second. Where is my note? Yeah, this one. So in this router, we are getting some limited ports. But if you are using this type of router, which one? 1841. If I am saying 1841 series router, most popular series, I will show you. Now verify this. So can you please verify this one router image? Now in this router, how many interfaces available? Two interfaces, yellow color. Yes or no? But in this fixed series, how many? 8 interfaces pair. In this two, but we are getting some extra slots. This one is extra slots. This one. So this side we are getting extra slots. This one is my 1841 series route. Which one do you? 1841 series router. But this router only having how many interfaces? 2 slots. How many? 2 extra slots we are getting. But if we are using 7200, for example, Cisco 7200 series router. So verify this one series router. This one series router we are using in data centers. Which one, dear? Data centers or enterprise network. So verify this router having some extra slots, and we are using a big NIC card. Yes or no? This one. So copy this one series router also. So this one is PCI slot. I think we already discussed this PCI slots. This one PCI slot. 3 PCI slots we are using. Okay. Now one more thing. In routers, a router having console plus which one port here? Auxiliary. Console port for which one option here? CLI. And auxiliary also. But console is my primary port. Console is which one port here? Primary port to access your router in CLI mode. But auxiliary called which one port?
Secondary.
Secondary. If for example, if primary console port goes down, some issues, so automatically
Secondary.
auxiliary port will be used as a which one port? A backup port. Clear? Now one more thing. You can say one more option we are getting. Give me 1 second. We create new slide. Line create. Yeah, this one. Basically, router ports we discuss. Normally, routers are getting some gig port, some fast port, and which one port, dear? SFP port. Gig port, how many speed?
1 GB.
Mute the mic. Mute the mic. Gig port is how many speed? Nitin, Bakhtiar, Lambodar. 1 GB,
1 GB. Yes.
10 GB. Yes or no?
Yes.
Fast Ethernet only how many speed we are getting?
100
100 M.
Mbps.
But SFP we are getting start from 10 GB, 1 GB, or 3 GB. Mute the mic, everyone. Okay. Now, basically, SFP port speed is how many? 1 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB, 40 GB, 60 GB, but always clear. Depends on which one module, dear? Which one module? SFP
SFP.
module. Okay, anyone know how to access via console port router?
With the help of serial cable.
Okay, now it's audible. So why we use console port basically for CLI mode, na? But always clear. In production network on routers, we enable two types of service. Which one, dear? Which one service? Telnet or SSH? Clear? Why we use Telnet service? Why we use Telnet service? Provide remotely access. Which one boxes? Which one box? Cisco box. SSH also provide remotely access. This thing is clear. Now one more point. Now we need to discuss router. Basically this one is your router and this side 0 by 0. This side 0 by 1. Now this side, Bhaktiar, mute the mic, na? If your voice is not audible, mute the mic. Now this one is PC1. This side, which one, dear? PC2. For example, PC1 say I'm using 192.168.1.0 group. Clear? And from this group, we are getting a PC1 IP is 192.168.1.2 IP. And MAC address is A. PC2 say I'm using 192.168.2.0 and PC2 IP is 192.168.2.2. So MAC address is which one, dear? Nitin? B. Now, basically, can you please verify PC1 and PC2 same group member or different group? Verify the group addresses.
Different group.
Different group. So how communication will be possible? So always clear 2 points. This one. Whenever device is trying to communicate in same group, then gateway, IP or MAC not required. Clear? One more thing. Whenever devices trying to communicate other group. Group means network. Other group. Then gateway IP MAC required. Any issue, dear? For gateway IP, gateway MAC, any issue? Now one more point. So if someone asking, sir, what is the meaning of gateway? Anyone know? Gateway means in network. Gateway means any idea? Why we use gateway? Any idea? Anything? Yes, tell me.
For the communication and different network gateway required.
It's a last exit. You can say interface or you can say port from a group. A group means network. Okay, one more point. If someone asking, sir, interface or port, it's a logical or physical. So both supported. If you have logical interface, if you have which one interface, dear? Physical, no issue. Now one more thing. So can you please verify in this design, whenever PC1 forward data, so which one is last exit interface? 0 by 0 or 0 by 1? Which one? Whenever PC1 trying to communicate with PC2, so which one is last exit interface for PC1? First data receive on 0 by 0 and this interface trying to forward via 0 by 1. So which one for PC1 last exit interface?
0 by 1.
0 by 0. 0 by 1 is outgoing, but first data receive on which one interface? This one, na?
0 by 0.
And this interface trying to forward other side. Okay, same scenario. Same scenario. If I am asking for PC2, whenever PC2 trying to send data traffic on PC1, then which one is last exit interface? 0 by 1 or 0 by 0?
0 by 1.
0 by 1. So I think for PC2, this interface act as a gateway interface. For PC1, this will interface act as a gateway interface. Now again, create the design. So this one is router. 0 by 0, 0 by 1, PC1, PC2. I think we already create some groups now. 192, 168, 1.0. And this PCI IP is which one, dear? 1.2. AMAC and this gateway. If you're creating a gateway, always remember gateway IP must be from your group, first IP or last IP. Only two IP you can assign. You can assign any IP, but identical is from your group first IP, from your group last IP. So my first IP is already available. Which one? 192.168.1.1 and MAC address is C. Okay, now go to this side. For PC2, we are using 192.168.2.0 and this PCI IP is 192.168.2.2. MAC address is B. Now, so 0 by 1 act as a gateway for PC2. So gateway IP is which one, dear? We can assign 192.168.2.1 you can assign. And MAC address is
B.
So I think gateway is available now. Communication we can try to, so communication will be possible. Yes or no? Communication will be possible now. So basically how communication will be done, we need to discuss. First thing, which one is layer 3 device? Router, PC. Which one is layer 3 device? Anyone know?
Both.
Both. Yeah. Which one device maintain ARP table or routing table?
Router.
Router or PC? Both.
Router.
Yes or no? Okay. Basically, first 3 points must be clear. Okay, give me 1 second. Change the marker. Now, whenever PC1 trying to communicate with which one device here? PC2. Then PC1 must have gateway IP plus which one information? MAC. Inside which one? Which one table? ARP table. If entry not found, then follow which one process here? Process. For example, I am saying gateway IP is here, gateway IP is 1.1. So, but we are getting any option to define the gateway MAC? No. So basically PC1 will do ARP process. PC1 say, brother, I'm sending ARP request, router will receive, router will forward ARP reply. And PC1 say, my gateway MAC is which one dear now? C. Gateway MAC is C. For PC2, we assign the gateway IP is 2.1, but gateway MAC is available? No. So PC2 forward ARP message and router will forward reply for this IP. Yes or no? So gateway MAC PC2, which one dear? D. So both the devices install. PC1 install ARP table, PC2 install ARP table, and router also install which one table? Router also install which one table dear? ARP table. Yes or no? This thing is clear? No. Because router also maintain ARP table. No. So this one is your router. Router connected via 0 by 0, 0 by 1. This one is 192.168 1.1 CMAC, 192.168 2.1 DMAC. Clear? Now. So router ARP table, same information, IP, MAC, time, and one more information we are getting. Which one dear? Interface. So by default, router maintain on interface ARP table information. So on interface is 192.168 1.1. On interface is 192.168. Which one? 2.1. So MAC address of 1.1 is C, D. But ARP table, how many hours the entry will be maintained? 4 hours na, by default. But right now 1.1 and 2.1, it's on interface or other device interface? On interface na. So right now always clear. Router for on interfaces, ARP table store and ARP entry will be stored via which one? Minus. Minus means, minus symbol means this entry will be infinite. Never run 4 hours timer. Clear? If interface is up, then entry will be shown. If interface will be down, then entry will be removed. Clear? Now next thing. So this side we are connected multiple PCs. For example, whenever this PC send ARP request. So router receive on this interface na ARP request. So router will say this one is 0 by 0 and this one is 0 by 1. So this side one user connected 192.168.1.2 AMAC. So whenever this user required gateway MAC, so forward ARP request, receive ARP reply. So router will say I'm receiving ARP request from 1.2 and MAC address is A. And time start now. On which one interface receive request? 0 by 0. Yeah, this side PC2 and IP is 192.168.2.2 and MAC address is B. If this user required gateway MAC, so send ARP request. Inside ARP request, sender IP is this one, target IP is this one, but target MAC is incomplete. So router will forward reply this MAC and router receive the ARP request. Which one user? Which one user? 2.2. B MAC and time running for this one. And which interface receive this ARP request? 0. So any doubt for ARP table router? By default, router maintain on interfaces ARP information automatically. This thing is clear? This thing is clear, Bhaktya?
Yes, sir.
Lambordar. Okay. Now, one more thing, only small story. This one is router connected via two interface 0 by 0, 0 by 1. This side we are using 1.0 group slash value 24, 2.0 slash value 24. Now router also maintain one more table. Which one, dear? Which one table?
Routing table.
Routing table. In routing table, we are getting first information is a routing code. Clear? Which one? Routing code. Then we are getting which one information? Group. Then we are getting which one information? Prefix. Prefix mean this slash values. One more thing. We are getting which one information? Interface. So can you please verify router? How many interface directly connected with group? 0 by 0 connected with which one group? 1.0 group. 0 by 1 connected directly which one group? 2.0 group. This thing is clear. So always clear. For directly connected, which one, dear? Directly connected. The routing code is C. So can you please verify how many directly connected group? How many directly connected group with router? So first group is this one. 192.168.1.0 group slash 24. Which interface? 0 by 0. And one more group connected 192.168.2.0 slash value is how many? 24. Which interface? 0 by 1. This thing is clear? Any doubt? Nitin?
No, sir.
Okay. Any issue you can ask me, no worry. A routing table means only store the group information, not a IP, only group. So group is this one, this one. So router, how many groups directly connected? Verify. How many groups? How many groups directly connected? 2 groups. I think you can verify. 192.168.1.0 group. 192.168.2.0 group. So basically directly connected group called routing code is in routing table which one? C. And group address and group prefix. Prefix means slash value. And which one interface connected both group? 0 slash 0 and 0 slash 1. So basically routing table, ARP table and ARP process is clear. Any doubt? Okay. If someone asking, sir, whenever PC1 send ARP request for gateway MAC for 1.1. So this ARP request possible to forward in PC in this group? No. ARP always forward into same group. Never forward into which one group? Different. So verify router every interface. Router every interface separate group. This one is separate group. Yes or no? This one is separate group. So this thing is clear. Okay. Go through this video. We meet again tomorrow, but same time 2 o'clock, and we discuss this class proxy ARP. Very important. Mute the mic, Bakhtiyar. Proxy ARP. We discuss routing table process. We discuss ARP table process. Again, we discuss ARP process. We discuss packet flow. Last time on switch, we learned which one flow, dear? Data frame flow. But on network layer, we called which one information? Packet. Any doubt? So how many topics we covered next session? This 5 topics. Any doubt? Piyu, Nitin, Lambordar, Bakhtiyar. Any issue? Hello? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just go through this video and complete the theory. Yes?
Today lecture is
Yeah.
always disturb audio quality, sir.
Yeah,
please.
no, audio quality is then that is the reason someone is getting a voice issue. That is the reason some student will get unmute. That is the reason. From my side, voice is not getting any issue. Bhaktiar is enable na mute.
Okay.
Bhaktiar, whenever I open the mic, then we are getting some issues. So no worry, I will discuss with Bhaktiar what is the issue. No worry. Okay. Any doubt, Lambodar? Last session will be clear, na? Data flow on switch. Last session will be clear. Data flow on switch, switch theory, introduction. Now router also clear.
Yes, sir.
Now tomorrow we discuss ARP table, proxy concept, and data flow on router, routing table. Clear? Go through the video, then we discuss again. Any doubt?
Sir, when we will start submitting? Submitting when we will start?
2 p.m. 2 p.m. Today I'm getting some issue. Weather is not good in my side. It's a raining season right now. From last night, the cyber cut. That is the reason. Weather is not good in Delhi. Okay. Any other issue? Okay. Subnetting after internet networking device we start. Clear? Subnetting we start after internet networking device. No worry. Okay. Everyone have access na Google Drive. Everyone. Lambuda, Bhaktiyar, Nitin.
Yes, sir, I
You
have.
have? Okay, no worry. Just go through the video. We meet again. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.